Today we'll crochet Valentine's Day heart. The other day I was making this one as well. Let me know if you want tutorial how to crochet that one. Slightly different. Well, today we'll work on this one. Make a slip knot and chain 5. Connect into a circle with a slip stitch. Chain 2. We'll crochet 13 double crochet into a circle. Close a circle with a slip stitch. Chain 3 and make double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet into next double crochet, and we'll go around, chain 1, double crochet into a next stitch, continue around. We should have 14 double crochet, counting that first one as double crochet. So now chain 1 and close this round with a slip stitch. We'll work on triple crochet, yarn over 2 times. We'll skip first space, next space into a third, make a triple or treble crochet, then chain 1 and another triple crochet into a space, chain 1 and triple crochet. Make triple crochet 8 times. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So after each we have 1 chain. Now I made triple crochet, don't make any chains, and then skip this into the next space, make a slip stitch, and we'll make triple crochet. We skip 1 into the next space. So we have here slip stitch, we skip and make 8 triple crochet. So 1 chain, triple crochet. So we have 2 chain, triple crochet. It's gonna be 3 triple crochet, chain 4, so make 8 triple crochet into that same space. I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 1 and 2 into that double crochet, make a slip stitch. Now we'll continue with single crochet into each stitch, taking into a space, then into a double crochet, into a space, and into a double crochet, and now into a next space we'll make single crochet, double crochet into the same space, and then single crochet, just to get that tip, into double crochet we'll make single crochet, 1 single crochet into a space, 1 single crochet into that double crochet, and single crochet into a space, and we'll finish with a slip stitch. All single crochet around, chain 1, and then into this triple crochet, 1 single crochet, and into each space 1 single crochet. So we'll go like this around, into a space, and then into a triple crochet. Into each stitch we'll go around. We can also do a different color as well, would be very, very nice. And then into this very tip, make a slip stitch, and then continue with single crochet around. Into that tip also make where we have single crochet, double crochet, and single crochet. Into each make 1 single crochet all around into each stitch. Just go around, and then I finished it. Finish this row with slip stitch and fasten off, and this is complete. This is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and let me know if you want a tutorial how to crochet this heart.